Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iyana. So today I wanted to do a fall look, a makeup inspired fall look. Hopefully I'm not too late. I'm always late in the seasons doing this, but fall doesn't end till December 21st, so I'm good. The first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my lips. Yeah, I think I got some on my teeth. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. If you're new to my channel or if you haven't gone back into my videos I did months ago, I already have a eyebrow routine already made. I will link it in the eye. Got my eyebrows done. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I know that's weird to go in with mascara before your eyeshadow, but I'm messy with mascara and I don't want to do my eyeshadow and then it get messed up. So I'm gonna go in with some mascara. Probably like a mixture of palettes, hopefully two. I'm gonna be switching between two palettes. I'm gonna be using the Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette and then the Colourpop Cute AF palette. So these two. Oh yeah, before I start, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. fluffy blending brush first. So I'm gonna go into Truth Hurts and the Give It To Me Straight Colourpop palette. I'm going in with the Truth Hurts. I'm just gonna put this in my crease area. I'm putting it in the crease area and I'm just blending it out. So something like this. This is like a burnt orangey kind of color. It's really pretty. But I'm going to go in with this brown color and it's called Frank. And I'm going to put this into my crease just to darken it. Change the plans. Frank isn't dark enough, so I'm going to go in with the color Actually. Back in the palette and using the first color I used, which is Truth Hurts. So you should have something like this. And then I'm going to be going into the Cute AF Colourpop palette and I'm going to be using the color Spoiled. I'm going to be using this gold right here. Okay, so I think I'm going to use the color Spoiled and I'm going to be putting the color Straight Up right here on top of Spoiled. straight up, just to dull down the brightness of the gold. Okay, after that I'm going in with the color. I'm going back in with the color actually, and I'm going to blend that a little more with the shimmer. So we're going to go under the waterline now. The first color I'm going to be going in with Truth Hurts, and we're going in with that color first. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Hopefully it doesn't look too crazy. I'm gonna go in my lashes, y'all. I gotta buy some more lashes because I did not put them back on the former. They look wonky like that. So this is the color, this is Colourpop, and this is in the color Teeny Tiny. And now we're gonna go on to the scary part, putting on lashes. Feel like I failed with the lashes. Hopefully the lashes do not look too crazy because one day I will get good at it. So I'm going in with my highlighter. I think this might be the final look. Excuse the lashes because I don't know. Just envision it as like the eyes is nice with the lashes and the lashes was put on perfectly. Just envision it like that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't like too crazy, like girl you don't know what you're doing, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share that love, and I will see you guys in